Hello and good morning to dear students. Welcome to the science class. Today we are going to start with block number 8, lesson number 2, that is types of teeth. Students, we know that we may have set of temporary or permanent teeth or combination of both types. Depending on our age, today we will learn how we have different teeth, different functions, teeth functions depending on their shape. Resources needed are a model of permanent teeth with different types of teeth colored differently and each labeled. A plate with 2 biscuits, 2 almonds, content book, worksheet and notebook. Keyword we will use in this chapter is grinding, meaning crushing something into very small pieces. So student, you can see the picture in front of you. Here you can see in the top 4, in the front 4, okay, in the top part of the teeth, in the front 4 teeth are called as incisors. The teeth besides the incisors, okay, are called as canines. Okay, the teeth which are the two teeth which are at the last on both the sides, they are called as molars, and two teeth besides molar in front, they are called as premolars. Okay, now students, you can see from your family members, okay, you can observe their teeth and you can tell them that these are your incisors, these are your canines, these are your molar teeth, and these are your premolar teeth. Okay, now you have to use the another resource, that is uh, biscuit and almond, and you have to chew it and you have to observe that which teeth you are using for biting this, which teeth you are using for grinding this. Okay, student, take turns and spots the incisors, canines, premolars and molars in your partner's mouth. As I have told you, note the shapes of the 4 teeth of you, 4 types of teeth in your notebook. You have to note down the shapes. Okay, students, each one of you should eat either biscuit or the almond and note which type of teeth you are using for biting, grinding and chewing, which I have told you. You have to observe this. Please do observe. Eat the biscuits now and you can see which teeth you are using for biting it, grinding it and chewing it. Similarly goes with almond. Now students, we will watch one video through which you will get a clear idea about the shapes of the teeth, about which teeth you are using for biting, grinding and chewing.
There are four types of teeth in our mouth. Incisors help to cut or bite. Canines help to tear. Premolars and molars help to chew and grind the food.
Okay students, so I hope you have understood which teeth helps to grind, which teeth helps to bite and which teeth helps to chew the food. Okay students, which type of teeth did you use while eating the biscuits and almonds? So basically students, you have to tell me now that which type of teeth you used while eating biscuits and which type of teeth you used while eating the almonds.
Let's sum.
So students, we bite the biscuits using our incisors, the teeth that are in the front. Then we used our premolars and molars at the back of our mouths to grind and chew the biscuits. We use premolars and molars to grind and chew the almonds also. How do the shapes of the different teeth types or different types of teeth helps us to eat? Students, different types of teeth have different shapes that helps us to eat various types of food. Incisors help us to bite and cut the food into pieces, while when we bite the biscuit, okay, The premolars and molars help us to grind and chew the food, like chewing the piece of biscuit after biting it off. The canine teeth are used to tear the things as they are very sharp and pointed. So these are certain types of teeth and shape and the numbers, okay, and use of such teeth. Incisors, they are chisel 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 shaped, okay, four in jaw, four in each jaw. Students, we have two jaws, upper jaw and the lower jaw. So we have four incisors, okay, in each jaw. Downside four incisor, upside four incisors, okay. And we use this type of teeth for cutting or biting the food. Second, canines. Canines are sharp and pointed, okay. Two in each jaw means canines are present, canines are present in the lower jaw and two canines are present in the upper jaw. Now what are the use of canines? They are used for tearing, okay. Next comes premolars, okay. Now what are premolars? Premolar shapes, premolar shaped teeth are broad, okay, broad in shape. They are four in each jaw and they are used for chewing and grinding the food. Molars are flat and broad, six in each jaw, okay. They are used for chewing and grinding the food. What would happen if we did not have incisors? Students, if we would not have incisors, we will not be able to cut or bite the food. We will not be able to bite an apple or a biscuit and would not be able to eat any food properly.